Did you know that some of life's greatest tests come disguised as the smallest packages? 3 weeks after adopting their golden retriever puppy, the Johnson family received devastating news. Their vet delivered a diagnosis that would change everything: diabetes, daily insulin shots, special food, constant monitoring, and thousands in medical bills. The rescue offered to take him back, no questions asked. As they held their sleeping puppy that night, they faced an impossible choice: keep their commitment and risk financial hardship, or protect their family's stability?